Every December, union electricians donate their time to honor Chicago's fallen officers.
Aldridge Electric is deeply dedicated to serving the people, customers, and communities where we work and live. We were inspired to participate in the tree lighting again this year because we believe it lines up with the cultural values at Aldridge Electric.
At Gold Star Families Memorial and Park, 607 names tell a story of sacrifice.
The illumination itself is a reminder to everybody what's here at Gold Star Families Memorial and Park.
We like to get involved with this because we understand the commitment that the first responders have to the community, and we want to give back.
Up on the lift, actually putting the lights on the tree, securing them for the very cold, snowy winter we have coming in Chicago, tying the cables underneath over to the outlet to plug them in.
When organizations like this step up, it shows that the support is beyond the law enforcement family. The support really is from the community, and I think that means a lot to our Gold Star families.
Thank you, Powering Chicago, Aldridge Electric.
May the dazzling blue lights remind them of the 607 angels who are watching over all of us.
It's important to understand that when we light this tree, those lights represent all of our fallen officers, all of our heroes. They gave the ultimate sacrifice. They gave their lives protecting everyone in this city and everyone who's standing here today, and that should never be forgotten or taken for granted.
Never forget that your hero will never be forgotten by the city of Chicago, and you will not be forgotten.
I have to thank Powering Chicago and Aldridge Electric for providing the lights and actually putting them up.
3, 2, 1.
Good job! Great job.